Hey guys, it's Emily and sorry for the noise in the back. And today I'm going to be doing Kinetic again, but much better. Huh? Put the Kinetic This is how you play the game. So I have the numbers here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 of them of the legs and 2 people. So I need the only money. So we can see what we get. Any money. If you had a letter go, any money, and you are it. So I'm getting number 1. So number 1 has 2, and I guess we'll get number 1 for later. So number 1 brothers and sisters. Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. So, let's get a next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got number 4. Number 4 has 2. Why am I getting those? 2. Haha, that's funny. Who do you hate? I hate my brother, my bigger brother, but just 2 years older. He's so annoying. I hate him. So we got that. Whoops. Get that away. And so again. So we got number 4. I'm gonna cross the number out. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a bada, alata. If you had a let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You or it. I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got an orange one. Ooh, this one has 1. So I'm gonna put the Kinetic sand away. So we got number 5. Whoops. Cross out the 5. Whoops. Too much mess. It says, do you like playing outside? Yes, I do. I play every time. Whoa. And so put that away. Whoop. And whoop. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a butter out of toe. If you had a let it go, eat it. Money, mo, and you are it. I got number 2. Number 2 has 2. And so I'm not gonna cross up 2. No. Come on. Okay. There we go. Pat it. So this time we are gonna get, do you like someone? No, I don't. I only like people as a friend, but not a boyfriend. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a butter and a toe. If you had a let her go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe, or it. I got number 1. Stand away, stand away, stand away. Okay. So this one says, do you have friends? Of course, I have a lot of friends at school, and I have a lot of friends where I live. Bye-bye. Okay, let's do this. 1, cross out, 1, 2, and the numbers I only have is 6, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Oh.
¿Qué cochina?
I get the last one.
¿Qué cochina?
So this one says, who is your best friend? A friend of mine named Leslie, and she is in 7th grade. So we're gonna start on that. Many, many more catch up by the toe. If we gotta let it go, many, many more, and you or it. We got number 6, guys. Number 6 has 1. So this one says number, please. It says, do you have a boyfriend? No, I'm 3rd grade. I'm too young. Step away. So cross out. Which one did? Yeah, we got 6. Now the only ones are 2 and 3. Let me scoot them over so you can see. 2. Any mini money more. Catch up at the toe. If you let it go, any mini money or it. 2. I got 2. I got cross out the 2. Then I have 1 more left.
Vaya que le echan ustedes, yo no sé qué le echan, chicos.
What?
Miel.
Solo campeonato que fuese del 97, 2%, Joaquín Moreno, estaba presente, 36 años. Mira, primera tarjeta amarilla va para...
I'm gonna take off the sand. Do you love your family? Of course. Of course, except for my brother. So, I got 3 this time. Cross that one out. Let's open it. Bum, 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 bum. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay, last but not least. I get, do you like Kinetic? Of course, I'm playing it right now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys later. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Peace out. Peace out. Say bye, Snapchat. Bye.